Hey everybody, John Martinez here. Thanks for tuning in with me once again. And if you've been with me for the last couple of days, you will know that today is the final part of a 5-part series that I entitled Developing a Winning Mentality. Now, as a thought leader and part of more than just a couple of mastermind groups, I'm often asked about how to unleash the power of the mind. Now, I know that in my personal life, the key to unlocking the power of the mind has been a renewing before I start out each day. You know, we're good when it comes to maintenance, when it comes to our cars and homes. However, we fail miserably when it comes to the maintenance of our minds. Whatever you do not maintain will eventually malfunction, and a mind that is neglected will produce a defeated life. A wasted mind, in my opinion, is one of life's greatest tragedies. Like your body, what you put in your mind is what you will get out of it. It would be like owning a high-performance supercar and putting low-octane fuel in it. It's just not going to perform the way that it was intended. You must renew your mind regularly. Renewing your mind is scrutinizing what you think and how you think. Your thought process is what you think, and your thought pattern is how you think. You must fill your mind with the kinds of thoughts that create momentum in your life. Inconsistent results are the product of unintentional thinking. If you do not like what you're producing, you need to change what you're thinking. You know, your mind will either put you in a place of victimization or victory. And the power to transform your life begins with changing how you think, right? I mean, it all takes place within the 6 inches between your ears. So change what you put into your mind, change how and what you think, and you will get better results. So that's it in this 5-part series. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've gotten value from it. And until the next time, thanks so much for joining me. I'll talk to you soon.